Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, it's time to find out who is going to take this guy home. Of course, this is the Red Jig Bone Congress 2 blades. This was our affiliation knife with SMKW for the month of December. Yeah, I know, running a little bit late on this one, but we're here and we're going to be giving it away. It is a cool little knife. You guys know I'm digging the Red Jig Bone. And we've got the we got the Wharncliffe, and then you sort of got the pen blade as well. But nice little knife, nice snap on the blades. But let's get the laptop up here and find out who is going to win this little handy little knife. So, I'll be right back. All right, so here we go. Get our link as always. Go to the picker and plug it in. Yep, filtering, all that good stuff. And let's get some comments. How many do we have? 34. Wow. All right. Well, there's going to be some pretty good odds on this one. Nice. Very cool. So, good luck, guys. Thank you so much for watching and commenting, because, you know, in this case, might win you a knife. So, good luck. Who is going to be our lucky winner? Stan's Cutlery Universe. Excellent. Nice piece, Rough Rider Reserve of some really nice knives. Thanks for sharing and have a blessed new year. Well, I hope you have a blessed new year, Stan, and I think might be starting it off pretty well because you just won a knife. Very cool. So, congratulations to Stan's Cutlery Universe. Stan, contact me at BigRedEDC@gmail.com. Let's say bye. Let's go 10 p.m. Pacific time on... Oh, let's do the 6th. Now, I'm going to be working crazy hours again, which, thank goodness, finally be working some overtime again. So, Stan, yeah, let's do 10 p.m. Pacific time on the 6th, and we'll get this out to you. And, of course, you know, the sooner you do, the sooner I'll be able to get it out to you. But congrats again, my friend. Stay tuned, guys. I do have January. It is January. January's SMKW affiliation knife already on the way. So, hopefully, we won't be as late as we were with this one. So, thanks a lot. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day, guys. As always, like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.